Hi all, this is the part 4 of Recycler View, and in this part we will learn how to animate our row item, Recycler View row item. So we will add some cool animations. So let's get started. So first of all I will create a item animation class. Let's say item animation. So I have already write the code. I am just copying and paste to save our time. So let's import the package. Object animator. Okay, it's done. So this is our animation class in which I have declared the four types of animation. One is bottom up, second is fade, third one is left right and right left. So this is the method of animation bottom up. Similarly, this is for fade in, and this is for left right, and this is right left. So let's add this class to our, so we will add this class to our recycler view adapter. So let's add the animation. So here item animation dot, let's try the first one, fade in animation. So we will pass the view and the position of item. So here view will be holder dot item view and position will be position. So let's run it and okay, I am going to run it. So here you can see that all the items. Let's increase the dummy data first. So I am just copying and paste to increase our dummy data. Okay, let's run one again. So here you can see that this is the fade in animation. Okay, so let's try all of these. Second one is bottom up. So let's try bottom up. So this is the bottom up animation. Another one is right to left, left right. And right to left. So similarly you can add multiple types of animation, whatever you want. So, and one more thing is in the row item file I am going to add a library called cycle image view. it gives our images in a circle view, which looks pretty cool. So where's the library? Oh, so first I will add the dependencies with the Gradle file. So I am going to the build.gradle file. Here I will add the implementation and sync now. Now it's done. So now I will go to the image view and I will change our image view to circle image view. Okay, now in the recyclable adapter part, inside the view holder, change is to circle image view. Let's run it. So you can see that it's look pretty cool, as if we compare to the previous one. So this is all about the recycler view animation. You can add more animation if you want. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.